Hello guys, so we're going to make or continue our application. Okay, so we have we make a new components here. So cons person is equals to functional components. So the person contains name John. We have his age 30, last name Soto, right? Okay, so basically, the question is how to access this cons person here. So we can type and then person and then with its closing tag, right? Okay, so person savings. Okay, so basically guys, we can duplicate this code. So for example, person is, we're going to copy this and then we have three persons, right? Person. Okay, so we can see here last name John, age 30, last name. But the idea here is that our person is only one, our components person is only one. So for example, let us say Jane. Okay, so Jane. So save. So as you can see guys, the person name is Jane, Jane, and then Jane, right? So basically, this is not the right idea to view it here. So in order to what is this? In order to make this one, so its name with its person, so we can just duplicate this code. So maybe we can duplicate something, maybe copy, and then we can say a name and then like this. So and guys, this is terrible. It's because this is not the good idea. So we're learning React. So in this case, so we can say, for example, we can type here, so name is equals to, and then we can say John. Okay, so and we can accept this name in this first person. We can accept this name as John, right? But the question is how to do this. Okay, so that is the big question, how to do this, how to accept this name in the first value here as name. Okay, so this is the this is why props in React takes place. So this is a component, right? So component guys in React has a built-in props. So we can see here props or properties, right? So we can just say here, so for example, curly brackets, and then we can see here props dot name. Okay, so props dot name, and then so just like this. Okay, so the name is John. So if we save this, okay, so the name is John, and then the rest have no name. So and then maybe we can say age is equal to pair of curly brackets and then 59. Okay, and then maybe last name is equal to uh, those. So for example, those. Okay, those. Okay, so we can see here that the name is John, and then the last name is those, and then the age is 30. So we can just say here that we can say props props dot age, right? Okay, and then this one, instead of Soto, we can say here uh, props dot last name, right? So this value guys, prop last name, props age, props name, is from there. Okay, okay, so as you can see guys, John 59, age, and then last name is those, and then our two person, because we have three persons, right? So the remaining two persons have no name, age, and last name something, and then no name, no age. Okay, so we can just duplicate this code. Okay, so for example, let us say I will copy this one. Okay, so copy, and then the name is maybe Mike, and then the age is 87, and then the last name is Bilias. So for example, okay, and then maybe the name here is Jane, and then the age is 15, and then the last name is maybe uh, this one. Okay, so if we save this, and then so we just can view here that the first person is John 59, Dos, and then Mike 87, Bilias, and then so this is the right way of making components, guys, in React and in props. Okay, so props help us to easily passing dynamic data on real time with this line of code. Okay, so we're just making it, inputting it in curly braces, because usually, guys, if we want to make our type person, we can just duplicate this code, right? Name, and then maybe we can duplicate this, for example, copy. We can just copy here, okay, and then right, and then copy again. So no, in this case in React, so this is why props is related to components. So basically, guys, every components in React has its built-in props or properties. Okay, so maybe this is a simple guide, but I'm hoping that it will help us make understand the basics of React components and then props or properties. Okay, so thank you guys for watching.